Hello friends, tini je job ni notification ka National Water Development Agency ni bisingte advertisement number onka 12 2022 ni fighting ke sangta bo o job ni bagai post te category wise vacancy nelenai o mongka post chaita post jak tongo iro ek number jak tongo junior engineer civil pay scale jak tongo naidi te S3 ni bagai iro duita S limit ka 1827 junior accountants ni bagai pay scale jak tongo UR ni bagai ekta te S limit ka same no te upper division clerk ni bagai iro jak tongo S3 ni bagai ekta tongo 1827 te stenographer grade 2 ni bagai iro pay scale jak tongo OBC ni bagai ekta HC ni bagai ekta te EWS ni bagai ekta tongo iro 1827 fighting ke sangta o job ni bagai education qualification lenai ek number jak tongo junior engineer civil essential lenai civil engineering te diploma khlaijarnai or equivalent from a recognized university or equivalent jak tongo te junior accountants ni bagai jang lenai degree in commerce from a recognized university commerce na te degree khlaijarnai te desirable no naranai di 3-year experience in cash and account in a government PSU autonomous body o topic ono tei 3-year experience naijak 3 number angka upper division clerk ira essential jak tongo degree of a recognized university ira desirable jak tongo knowledge of computer operating system MS Word Office Excel PowerPoint and internet ira 4 number jak tongo stenographer grade 2 stenographer grade 2 essential angka 12 pass 3 number jak tongo iro o job ni bagai application start angka je 23 tarik 4 March 2022 tarik online application submission ni je last date angka ira jak tongo 23 tarik 5 March 2022 ira jak tongo computer basic test ni bagai je exam ni bagai ira box jak tongo je boni website ro bok notice read nai hinai fighting ke sangta o job ni bagai application fee nai ira jak tongo 840 টাকা angka je general and OBC category number 840 টাকা te 500 টাকা angka je HC ST EWS category roni bagai and women candidates roni bagai 500 টাকা to friends aro jak tongo as relaxation norong nai di job ni bagai norok application form fill up khlainai ke ira online mode khlainai online mode ti khlainai ira website jak tongo www.nwda.government.in jak tongo o online chalanai midnight 23 tarik 5 March 2022 tarik jorano chalanai to friends omongkha National Water Development Agency ni je job ni notification o notification norok kaham ke bujimi hanke video ni description ro ang PDF read nai norok orone nai te porai di te o mohai katal job ni video naina bagai haste ni job channel no subscribe khlai te support khlai di te share khlai di te video no paithak jora naina bagai jotona hambai।